Hello, today we are going to learn how to make a miniature asparagus. And here are the materials. Slice an equal part of olive green and light green clay and put them side by side. Using your rolling pin, roll and fold them the same way I did. Continue these steps until you reach a skinner blend or a color gradient. If you are already satisfied with how it looks like, reduce the size by pressing and pushing the clay inward. And then stretch the clay so you will have a nice long rectangular cane. Next, slice and shape the clay or the cane. Here the cane is a bit thicker, so I have to slice the clay into half. And then roll the clay, focusing on making a sharper tip on the dark green area. Pre-bake and let it cool. After pre-baking, I added a dark green clay on the tip of the sharper end of the asparagus because this will help us stick the spears easily. Instead of using clay for the spear on the stem of the asparagus, I opt to just slice the stem using a blade. To make the head of the asparagus, I simply roll a snake and cut the pointy edge and stick it to the prepared head. After completing the head, mix red wine and purple chalk pastel to shade the asparagus head. Bake the asparagus completely, let it cool, and seal it with matte varnish. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and have fun on your project. Don't forget to click subscribe and get notified. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.